What is happening, YouTube? Just a quick update video. I finally put together my soldering station, and here on the bench I have my old Xbox. What I'm hoping to do with this is to recap it. I've got some bad caps, especially over here. It said that a clock timing capacitor somewhere around here is the culprit that is supposed to go bad and leak. Luckily, no damage on the PCB when I got this thing out. It's really dirty, really dusty. I'm going to clean it off, get some of these caps replaced, probably not all of them. Get it back, put together, and see if it still works again. So that's the idea. I will say this thing is 20 years old. Synthesizers are going to kind of suffer the same fate. Don't want to scare you, but for example, take a look at this capacitor right here. That one's about to pop. This one over here, same thing. These, surprisingly, are all really nice, but the idea is to take them out and measure them and make sure that they are actually okay, because one of the early signs that they're about to go is that their ESR rating gets really, really horrible. And then that's when you know that it's time to replace them. After that, it's kind of like driving your car without any brake pads. It's just a matter of time. So that's the idea. Wish me luck. I'll give you a status update when I get this back together. I actually have two Xboxes. This one is the older model, so I wanted to try it first. My other one is a little more special. It's the Halo Edition. This connector right here, wow, these connectors are Satan. Wow, it was so hard to get this thing out. This particular connector. Everything else was fairly easy, actually. The instructions on various different YouTube videos were great. Lots of useful videos out there to understand how to take this thing apart. But I need to do some more research now and understand what these capacitors are, what their values are, make sure that I have them. If I don't, I'll order some. And that's that. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Oh yeah, 808 day tomorrow. You think Roland's going to drop anything?